Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you step by step how to change a profile picture in Windows 11 machine. It's pretty simple. Go to the search icon in a Windows 11 machine and here just type settings and here just choose the settings and go ahead and choose accounts over here and then just scroll down and here you can see your info. So just click on it and here you will see the section adjust your photo. So here basically you have two options. Either you can take the photo from webcam or you can choose the file from your file system. Okay, so here we are going to use the existing image and we are going to set that image as a profile picture. So here just click on this browse files and go to the location where your profile picture is present. In my case it is in a desktop and here I am going to choose my profile picture over here and just click on choose picture. And as soon as you choose the picture you can see the profile picture is set to the account. Okay, so this is how you can change the profile picture in a Windows 11 machine. And just close it and here go to the Windows icon, just click on it and here you can see the profile picture is successfully set to the account. So this is how you can change the profile picture in Windows 11 machine. Alright, great. I will see you in the next video.